These are unprecedented times to be certain, but equally certain is NIADA's commitment to helping each of our dealers maximize their success. We take pride in delivering top-notch education sessions at each of our conventions. And even though circumstances require us to go virtual, this year will be no different. Our virtual convention agenda assembles the best and brightest minds in the automotive industry to provide the highest quality education to each of our attendees. This year's education sessions will be provided over 3 days and will feature sessions focused on the things dealers tell us they need most: cash, cars, and customers. We've built an agenda full of great content centered on inventory acquisition in the wholesale marketplace, online retailing and contactless transactions, and cash financing and credit markets. Our education sessions will be dealer-centric, meaning there will be plenty of the dealer panels you've grown to love, including dealer moderators, to provide you with a unique perspective only your peers can bring. In addition to these content-rich sessions, you'll also gain great leadership and management tips from Mr. Accountability himself, Dave Anderson, and we'll have a Fire You Up session to help you adjust to the new normal from the head of Grant Cardone's Automotive Group, Mr. Jeff Bounds. Perhaps you're wondering what the economy will look like in the fourth quarter and into 2021. We'll have that covered too. So whether you're in retail, buy here, pay here, or wholesale, we have something for you. If you missed a session you wanted to attend because you saw something else on the agenda, had to take time to help a customer, or just couldn't sign on to broadcast time, don't worry. Each and every session on our agenda will be available for convention attendees to watch at any time. In addition to all of the education content you see on the agenda, we will have many more sessions made available for on-demand viewing at your convenience between the convention and the end of the year. You can use those sessions to train your team and watch your dealership reach the next step. Go to NIADAconvention.com and register. Sign up now, and I'll see you online.